Hi, Louise Camilleri here. Now there are times when you might need a hero in your life. A headache reliever oil, that is. And I've got one right here for you. LC Natural brings to your headache and migraine a little bit of relief through essential oils and aromatherapy. And this is how you use this roller bottle. You simply take off the cap and you'll see the roller ball that's on top of the bottle. Now you can either rub it onto your fingers, pat them together, and then gently press them to your temples. You can smell some of the aromatics, and that will help to release tension in the sinuses. Or you can rub the roller bottle directly on the temples, at the side of the head, or on the back of the neck. And when you feel the cooling sensation, it just helps to soothe and to cool you down a little bit. So that's it, our headache reliever oil. Now we also have something here, another product to put pimples in the past. Put them behind you with our pimple and acne spot treatment. And it's the same rollerball technology, if you will, with essential oils that are great for acne and spots on the skin. You can actually take the roller ball and apply it directly on to the spots on the face, any concerns you might have, after cleansing and toning with your facial wash system. So that's it. Put pimples into the past with LC Naturals Pimple and Acne Spot Treatment. That's it. Enjoy.